Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. There are different types of fencing that range in materials and designs. Whether you are updating your current fence or installing a whole new fence, this guide will cover everything you need to know about the different types of fencing. Decide on a purpose. It's important to understand why you're buying a fence. Decide whether you want to add it for privacy, for keeping critters out of your garden, for keeping your home safe, or as a decorative addition. Privacy. You may opt for a fence that will help keep your backyard more private, keeping any noise neighbors from seeing what's going on in your yard. Security. Fencing can act as an added security to your home. Be sure that your fence is at least 6 tall, making it hard to climb. You can also add spikes or pickets to the top of your fence. Safety. Use your fence to enclose a specific area, like a pool, to help avoid any accidents. It will also keep animals from crossing through your yard. Decor. Fencing can act as a great decorative addition to your yard, working well with your landscaping and flower gardens. Think about your neighbors. Consider your neighbors when you are choosing your fence. You ultimately want something that will look good on both sides, but make sure that the unfinished side of your fence is facing in toward your yard. Before purchasing a fence, check your local zoning laws and city guidelines to make sure you are staying up to code. Electric. Electric fencing is becoming more common for containing pets and is more discreet than your classic fence. Keep in mind, an electric fence does not keep other animals from entering your yard, so you will want to keep an eye on your pets and children. Check your electric fence periodically, especially if the power goes out, to make sure it is working correctly. Types of fencing materials. Metal. Metal fencing is sturdy, durable, and long-lasting. If you are looking to add more privacy but love the aesthetic look of a metal fence, adding a shrubbery, flowers, or vines. There are 4 common metal fence types: aluminium, wrought iron, steel, and chain link. They are all durable and come in different sizes, colors, and designs. Metal fencing is low maintenance and you can hose it down with water. Aluminium won't rust, but wrought iron and steel may rust over time. To ensure it doesn't wear down or corrode, make sure you scrape rust away and then use a rust restaining spray. Vinyl. Vinyl fencing is strong and does not splinter, making it a kid-friendly option. Vinyl fencing is low maintenance and can be cleaned with water. This can last for 20-30 years. Vinyl fencing comes in many different styles, allowing you to choose a vinyl fence designed for security, privacy, or decor. Composite. Composite fences are a mix of wood with resin or plastic. They look like wood but have the benefit of plastic. They are less likely to wrap and more resistant to bugs. They come in many different styles and colors, are great options for security, privacy, or decoration, and give off any earthly feel. Bamboo and reed. If you're looking for an environmentally friendly option, bamboo or reed fencing is a great solution. The solution bamboo or reed panels create the perfect wall of privacy. They are both long-lasting materials and give off a natural tropical feel. Wood. Because there are many types of wood fencing, wood fences are the most popular and one of the most versatile fencing options. Wood fences come in many different styles and heights and can be customized to your needs with stain or paint. We recommend pre-assured treated wood to increase resistance to rot and bugs. Keep in mind that you will need to regularly care for and refinish the wood to ensure it doesn't rub or rot over time. Types of fencing designs. Lattice. Lattice fencing is a common go-to option for gardens, decks, patios, and pools. The crisscross design adds a touch of style to your fence, giving your yard more curb appeal. The lattice style adds privacy while allowing air and light to pass through. Climbing plants and vines can grow up and over lattice fences, adding a splash of greenery to your yard. Picket. A classic design, picket fences tend to be short with wide gaps between the slats, resulting in less privacy. They are typically made with wood or vinyl and a great addition to any cottage-style homes. Picket fencing allows animals to see out but keeps them safe inside your yard. Rail. Rail fences or split rail fences are commonly used for decorative fencing due to the wide gaps between rails. They add a rustic look to your yard and are the perfect simple fence to border your property line. Rolled. Rolled fencing is made from easily malleable materials that can be rolled up for easy installation. They come in different materials like reed, bamboo, and metal. They are best used for protecting your garden from animals or for covering your chain link fence to make it more visually appealing and private privacy. Chevron weave. A chevron weave fence is the perfect option if you want to add faux florals to your fencing. They can be used as a border to your deck or patio and can even be used as privacy walls around your hot tub. They're an easy way to operate your area. The best part? You can use chevron weave fencing both indoors and outdoors. Decorative. Decorative fences are commonly chosen on aesthetic over the function. They range in styles and materials, so you are bound to find a decorative fence that will enhance the look of your space. Types of chain link fencing. Chain link and mesh. Chain link or mesh fencing is commonly used for function and not aesthetics. It is a go-to choice for containing animals. Chain link and mesh fences require very little maintenance, are budget-friendly, and will last for years to come. How to start embedding concrete furniture into your home? Here are some do's and don'ts.